Hey y'all, it's me again. I got some more stuff. Yeah, I have a goal to increase the wreaths that I make, and I'm getting more and more stuff to fulfill that. So today, also I won't be doing any more reveals on TikTok Live. I thought I said I did it, and I said I'm not gonna say where I got it from, and I did fine. And then something else that I said triggered something else. So I was like, okay, that's it. They got me. I'm just not gonna say anything anymore. So here I am. So either before or after this, I showed that I want to make a bee. So it's a bees wreath that's in the works. Absolutely love it. The stuff that I'm getting for it. I don't know if this is for the bees one, but I showed you some, maybe before or after this, I've showed you I've gotten some purple and some black. But I definitely want to start adding some of this to my wreath. And I got like 3 of them. I got 3 of these also. Somewhere. Oh, I see 2 now. Oh no, I got 3. I got 3 of them. So that'll be good. And then I got, something stuck. This from my bee wreath. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff for that bee wreath. I might end up with 2 bee wreaths. We shall see how it turns out. But I love it. And I got 3 of them. 3 of them. Nothing but the bee. And another bee. So then I got just 1 of these, I think. Yeah, it's just 1. It's literally a honeycomb. Can't have a bee without the hive and comb. So here I am. It's cool. Gonna make some pretties, be able to use it within my bee wreath. I think this is the last things that I'm waiting for before I make the wreath. So I got these pretties. Have no clue what I'm gonna do with them. Let's say this one. No clue. I know what the other ones are for because they go into my bee wreath. These I have no clue. But look at this. Yeah. So I did the other wreath that I had done. This one, it has the orange and black with a harlequin. And then I'm going to do, I guess reverse. Reverse. Let's see what I come up with. It'd be great to do a reverse in the middle. Or what else? Let's think about it. Go back through in the drawing board, see what I come up with. Thank you so much. Everyone have a wonderful day. Come back and see me again. Thanks for hanging with me. Diane, your Caribbean wreath queen. Bye.